Welcome to your channel for learning English in a simple and enjoyable way. My goal with this channel is to help you improve your pronunciation and reading through listening. So you can learn the language naturally, as if you're living it every day. Here we will rely on listening and repetition to understand words and sentences easily. And in every video, we will present an interesting story or topic to help you learn without boredom. And in today's video, we will listen together to the story of the global singer Jungkook. So get ready to focus, try to repeat the words, and enjoy learning with us step by step. Have you ever wondered how one person can combine talent, charisma, and relentless hard work all at once? Today we're talking about the global star Jungkook, the young man whose small dream turned into a worldwide phenomenon, capturing millions of hearts. Jungkook, or as fans love to call him, the Golden Maknae. Because he simply excels at everything he touches, from singing to dancing to stage performance and even directing. His story is not just an ordinary success story, but a journey full of challenges, sacrifices, and determination. Jungkook started his path at a very young age, just a teenager with a dream of becoming an artist, never knowing that this dream would one day make him one of the most famous stars in the world. He joined BTS while still young and faced intense pressure, harsh training, long hours of work, and constant criticism. But he never gave up. Instead, he used all of it as fuel to become the best version of himself. What truly sets Jungkook apart is not only his powerful and warm voice, but his ability to deliver emotions in such a genuine way that anyone listening feels like he's singing just for them. When he steps on stage, he becomes unstoppable energy, his presence commands attention, his movements are precise, and his gaze is full of passion. Yet behind this shining image is a simple human being who loves drawing, photography, sports, and constantly working on self-improvement. Jungkook is living proof that success doesn't come from talent alone, but from consistency and perseverance. Even after reaching global fame, he never stopped learning. He kept improving his voice, his performance, and even his personality, and that's what makes people connect with him. Because he's real, because he doesn't pretend, because he shares both his highs and his struggles with his fans, his impact goes beyond music. He has become an inspiration for an entire generation. Young people who see in him someone who started from nothing and reached the top through effort. His message is clear: don't be afraid to dream, and don't let anyone underestimate your abilities. The road may be difficult, but it's not impossible. And in the end, Jungkook's story is not just about fame or success. It's about passion, determination, and believing in yourself. And that's exactly what makes his story worth telling. So the real question now is, are you ready to start your own journey just like Jungkook did? And here we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe.